Hi, this is Tony with the U.S. Senior Healthcare. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I am great, thank you. The reason of my call is to talk about your Medicare additional benefits like dental, vision, savings, consultation services without any additional cost. So do you currently have Medicare Part A and B?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, do you have a dental, vision, and hearing coverage?
No.
So are you willing to get these coverages without any additional cost?
I could use that sort of stuff. I don't have any dental coverage, and I lost all my teeth from abusing crystal meth, so I can use some plastic chompers.
Sir, are you kidding with me?
No, I lost all my teeth from abusing crystal meth. So what do I have to do to get these plastic chompers? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hi, this is David, and I'm calling you from the Medicare office. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good too, thanks for asking. Actually, the reason of my call is to tell you that Medicare is just providing you a new Medicare card because your old card is going to expire. So, sir, just confirm me, do you have your Medicare card with you right now?
Well, it's upstairs. I can go get it. It takes me a few moments to move around when you're 79 years old. So I'm climbing the stairs.
Sir, I am holding on the line. Just grab your Medicare card.
Bleh, bleh. Excuse me, that happens every time I smoke ganja. Just another set of stairs. Let me dig in the drawer here. Okay, I have the card. My card is... My
Do you see your...
Yes, it's 1. E as in Echo. G as in Golf. 4. T as in Tango. E as in Echo. 5. M as in Mike. K as in Kilo. 7-2.
I am repeating back your Medicare numbers. If I'm wrong, so correct me, okay?
Okay.
1 as a number. A as an apple.
No, it's the second letter is E as in Echo.
E.
Next letter is G as in Golf.
Okay. 4 as a number. T as in Tom. A as an apple. Number 5.
No.
M as in
Nope. It's T as in Tango, E as in Echo, 5.
Okay. M as in Mary. K as in Kite. Number 7. Number 2.
Yes.
And how do you spell your first name on that card?
My first name is spelled R as in Romeo, O as in Oscar, B as in Bravo, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, T as in Tango.
Robert.
Yes.
Robert. And what's your last name?
My last name is Grinnell. It's spelled G as in Golf, R as in Romeo, I as in India, N as in November, N as in November, E as in Echo, L as in Lima, L as in Lima. Hello? Hello?